Look, see, it says grab and go chicken.
What the
sliced and grilled. It's already grilled.
You need to cook this.
No, you don't. You microwave, you open it. No, open the oven. You don't need to cook it. I'm doing the whole freaking box.
You need more water.
No, we need less water. What are you talking about?
You idiot, you need to boil the water first. No, you need to boil it before you put the pasta in. Shit. Some milk.
Shut up! Be so careful! Jordan! Salt, we need salt.
No, we don't.
It says salt can be
No,
added.
it doesn't. Hey, just boil the water.
Now we have to prepare the chicken.
You need to cook it.
We don't need to cook it! Should we just leave it in the pan or should we just put it on the thing?
The thing. No, just. Where's your microwave?
Or I think I
have a noodle in here.
It's cooking!
Pop it.
Where are the white bowls?
White bowls! Oh, we're gonna have Chinese food.
They're Chinese bowls.
They're not Chinese. Yes, they are.
Because we're having a fancy dinner. Jordan, I need you to keep an eye.
It's rusty toasty. You have to put salt on it.
I already did!
This. Can I spray you with it?
No, it's Pam, Jordan. It's Pam.
It was a second.
I just spilled. That's
Careful! Shut up.
We're gonna need that strainer.
Shaye!
Why is it on the ground?
Is it true? Love or money?
Give me the spoon, I gotta stir!
Are we gonna have like any other vegetables or anything like that? I told you asparagus. We don't have asparagus. You don't like asparagus. Did you see these? Oh my god. Oh, it's strawberry vanilla chocolate ice cream bars.
Great. Because we can cook so freaking well. And after
You mean
this,
I can cook so frickin' well?
after this, we're gonna do the laundry. And empty the dishwasher.
I love this spoon.
No!
No!
I didn't try, I mean.
I hate her.
We have like a bread.
Shaye.
I'm thinking about another nutrition that we need. That's our grain. This is our protein.
This is protein.
Focus
What?
on the noodles!
Exactly! I thought that was pickles. You're gonna chill.
Focus on the noodles!
Damn!
Jordan! Jordan! See if it's ready.
You did it.
Before we overcook it!
You can't overcook noodle.
Ooh, they're a bit warm.
Do you like orange, red, or yellow Gatorade?
Okay.
Where it is?
Just a couple more minutes and the pasta will be ready.
Shaye, it's ready!
I'm like the main pasta.
I'm coming! Ow! Holy! Ooh, ow! That was hot! That was very hot! Okay. That was slightly hot. That was not cold. I'm burning. Jordan, you just killed me. Do you know that?
I drank